Hello everyone, this is Rick and thanks for joining. This is the 14th PowerPoint 2007 tutorial, and tonight I'm going to talk about the Slide Master, what the Slide Master is, to clarify that, how to use it, and how to edit it. And then the other thing I'm going to show you real briefly is how to insert both page numbers and the dates and titles and things like that in your header and or footer. So I'm going to jump right in here. First thing to do is to get to the Slide Master, you go to the View option, click Slide Master, and now this is your Slide Master layout. So what you can do here is I want to point out a couple quick things here. So this is your Slide Master itself. All these below it are the slide layouts associated with the Slide Master. So really what the Slide Master is and these slide layouts are really the design of the slides that you're using for your as a template. Okay, so a Slide Master is this slide right here. It's the top slide in this whole long hierarchy of slides, and what they do is they store information about the slide layouts, the theme of the slide, the background color, placeholders, positioning, and fonts. Okay, prime examples of what you use the Slide Master for. So you can go through here and change this any way you'd like to. For example, if you wanted your fifth level to be in a different font here, or keep expanding, however you want to do it, you can edit this, you can change the layouts. But you'll notice there's lots of layout options. So this one will be more like a comparison layout where you have you're comparing this block here to this block here. So there's lots of different options here. Typically, with each Slide Master has several layout options associated with it. So another thing is you'll notice down here is you have the date. You have a date. You have the date, you have a title, and you have a page number here. So what I did here is I slightly modified these to make them larger than the default. So how I did that, I just highlighted it, and then I right click it and go to Font, and you also get this pop up here that you see on the screen. But you can go to Font and you can change the font color, change the font size, whatever's appropriate, click OK. So I've already modified that and I've already saved it. So what will happen when you go to save this, it'll save it as a template, which is what it's supposed to do. Okay, so I've already done that, so I'm not going to make any changes right now. To get out of this, I would click Close Master View, and now we'll be back in my presentation, my PowerPoint presentation. So now one other thing I want to show you is how you actually insert the date and the time and things like that onto a header and or footer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the Insert menu, and then I'm going to go to Header and Footer, and you'll notice that this template already has a layout of 3 options down here for the footer, and we've put them in there. So what I'm going to choose here is on the Include on Slide page here, I just click the date and time, or you can put a fixed date in there if you don't want it to update automatically. I'm going to choose a slide number, and you notice as I do that these highlight, and I'm going to choose a footer and it says 10-minute train, and that's something that was put in. And then the next option is don't show on title slide. Typically you're not going to put things like the date and the slide number, or at least the slide number, on the first slide. Then you say apply to all, and now if I go into presentation mode, you can see what I have down here. I have the date, the title, and the slide number. Okay, so that's all you have to do that. I wanted to thank everyone for subscribing. I've put out a contest there recently where you can win an iTunes gift card, so go ahead and take a look at that video. It was just posted tonight. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please drop me a note. Thanks for joining.